Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our US-90 video series beginning at the city limits of Scott, Louisiana. In 1902, Gabby Anderson built a Western-style saloon to serve as an exclusive all-men's bar and a meeting place for old folks. His reason for the saloon is because he believed this is where the West begins. However, it is believed that the slogan started because Scott was where Eastern train fare rates ended and Western train, referred to as the West Line, fare rates began. The rail line of the Union Pacific Railroad, formerly Southern Pacific, cuts the town in two and runs parallel to Highway 90 on the right throughout most of this video. By 1880, a train depot was completed and the settlement became a village. In 1907, the village was incorporated and named after J.B. Scott, who was Division Superintendent of Southern Pacific Railroad. The village became a town in 1960 and the town became a city in 1990. On the right is a sign indicating that the route ahead is LA 93 truck. This is in reference to an earlier alignment of the LA 93 main line that went north here through the town of Scott along Alfred Street and then St. Mary Street. Trucks were directed to continue along LA 93 truck concurrent with US 90 rather than travel through the town. In 2013, the LA 93 main line was changed to continue along US 90 and the need for LA 93 truck route ceased to exist. However, for some reason, the sign here not only remained but was updated to the new black and white signage at some point in the last few years. Here at Apollo Road, the LA 93 main line departs from US 90 to head north towards I-10 and we continue west. At Jenkins Road, we leave the city limits of Scott. At LA 743, we enter the town limits of Duson, which has a continually but slowly growing population of 1,754. Originally known as Duson Station, the town was laid out by J.G. Parkerson, general manager of the Louisiana Western Railroad. By August 30th, 1880, the railroad line from New Orleans to Houston was completed, and passenger and freight service began. It merged with the Southern Pacific Railroad in 1900. The village of Duson was incorporated on December 16, 1909, named after the land developer Curly Duson, and installed Adolphe Dejean as the first mayor. In 1927, St. Teresa Catholic Church was completed. Cotton farming was the main agriculture for the area. 3 cotton gins were in Duson until the mid-1960s. Fires destroyed 2, and the third was torn down. After World War II, small lots east of Duson were developed with small houses using brick siding paper on the exterior. Because of that, the area became known as Paper Town. Like many other towns and cities in the Acadiana region, Duson has a local Mardi Gras celebration that includes a parade through the town. Many residents of nearby Lafayette, Scott, and Rayne will converge upon the town, as most parades in the region are scheduled as to not occur simultaneously. At South Riceland Road, we leave Duson in Lafayette Parish and enter Acadia Parish. The street name changes from Cameron Street to East Texas Street. Acadia Parish has an estimated population of 62,645 as of 2016. We enter the city limits of Rayne, which has an estimated population of 8,134. Rayne is known as the frog capital of the world. The annual Frog Festival is currently held on Mother's Day weekend each year. Frog legs, a local delicacy, have been exported worldwide from Rayne for over 100 years. Now, I just want to comment here, the Cajun half of my family is from a small town just north of Rayne. My father was born in Rayne. I visited this area on a pretty regular basis throughout my life, and in my 44 years, I've never eaten frog legs. I've never had any desire to eat frog legs. I won't be eating frog legs in the future. That's just my opinion. My great-grandmother said they tasted just like chicken. Here, US-90 turns left onto South Adams Street and temporarily joins LA 35. Turn right onto West Branch Street and head west out of Rayne, and LA 35 immediately turns away to the south. We conclude today's video as we leave the city limits of Rayne. Thanks for watching. Be sure to join our Facebook group to get your free 504 Road Trips window sticker. See the video description for details. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. Share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.